Just a day after Himachal Pradesh Cabinet Minister Vikramaditya Singh announced a new police policy requiring street vendors to display their identity and put up name plates, the state government has now taken a U-turn. The Himachal Pradesh government clarified that no official decision has been finalized regarding this move. Instead, the government will carefully consider all the suggestions before making any decisions.
Another concern which is being raised here regarding this decision is that it can increase the communal tensions within Himachal Pradesh. Many of the Congress leaders have also expressed this concern, and they are also saying that it shouldn't have been implemented in a Congress ruled state.
See, it hasn't been implemented as such as yet. Deliberations are on, dialogues are on. It is just that some streamlining needs to be done, and proper registration of people, whether they are from outside the state or whether they are from within the state. Proper registration needs to be done so that if any law and order problem comes, or if anything regard to adulteration happens, or if anything regarding to the quality of the goods that are being sold, or any other problem arises, so that there is proper records with the concerned authorities. That was the only intention behind it.
वास्तविक स्थिति है वो ये है कि विधानसभा के अंदर जो माननीय स्पीकर साहब हैं उन्होंने एक कमेटी का गठन किया है जिसमें कांग्रेस के जो मंत्री हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री मिनिस्टर उनकी अध्यक्षता में और भाजपा के भी उसमें विधायक है कांग्रेस के भी है। उस कमेटी को अपना काम करना, अपनी रिपोर्ट बनानी है कि स्वीट वेंडर को लेके क्या नीति जो है हमारी रहेगी। उसके बाद जब उनकी रिपोर्ट आएगी कैबिनेट उसमें जो है विचार करेगी और भी जो स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं उनसे भी बातचीत करके फिर इसके बाद इसके ऊपर काम होगा। अभी तक कोई ऐसी काम सरकार ने कोई ऐसा फैसला नहीं लिया है कि आप ये समझें कि किसी को अपना नाम या आइडेंटिफिकेशन अपने दुकान के बाहर लगाना है। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा कोई फैसला अभी तक नहीं लिया।
Now remember, initially Vikramaditya Singh cited a directive from the Yogi Adityanath-led Uttar Pradesh government as inspiration for this rule. However, after facing criticism, he distanced himself from the comparison, stating that his comments were based on various Supreme Court and High Court judgments regarding vending regulations, emphasizing the need for proper verification as mandated by the courts.
जिस तरीके से उत्तर प्रदेश में भी वहाँ पर भी जो रेडी फड़ी वाले हैं खास करके उनके लिए ये मैंडेटरी किया गया है कि वहाँ पर जो है आपको अपना उसमें नाम और आईडी लगाना होगा। तो हमने भी इसको यहाँ पर पूरी मजबूती से लागू करने का निर्णय किया है। I have said that this is nothing about any model A, B or C, and whatever I had stated, it was with regard to the various judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court and the Honorable High Court, and proper verification, identification of all these people who are given these vents should be done. That is the mandate of the Supreme Court and of the Honorable High Court. And the state government is bound to obey the orders of the Honorable Courts.
Now, the U-turn comes after Singh, along with Chief Minister Sukhu, was reportedly reprimanded by the Congress High Command. This clarification was issued by Vikramaditya Singh's announcement after he received criticism from within the Congress party as a section of the party's leaders slammed the decision and demanded its revocation. The central leadership's intervention and the state government's subsequent clarification gave enough ammunition to the BJP to call out Congress party's doublespeak.
कांग्रेस है ही यू टर्न पार्टी। सवेरे कुछ, शाम को कुछ, चुनाव से पहले कुछ, चुनाव के बाद कुछ, ये तो है ही यू टर्न पार्टी।
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on this story. Niyamika, what led to this sudden U-turn by Vikramaditya Singh on the diktat?
Well, this decision and the statement which was being given by the Himachal Pradesh Cabinet Minister Vikramaditya Singh not only flagged criticism on the part of the BJP, in which BJP has said that this shows the double standards and the hypocrisy of the Congress party, but on the other side we have also seen that it was many of the Congress leaders who have also raised a concern regarding this decision which is being taken by the Himachal Pradesh government, because many of the Congress party leaders are of the view that it can increase the communal tensions within the state, as they have also said that recently also there was an incident which had happened in Shimla, which was related to a mosque, and after that only now the manner in which the Himachal Pradesh government had taken a decision for displaying the name of the owners of these street vendors. At that point of time also many of the Congress leaders, including the Congress the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP Tariq Anwar, as well as the former Deputy Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh T.S. Singh Dev, all of these leaders have said that it is very much needed that the Congress High Command should intervene into this entire matter, because this is not the ideology of the Congress party, as the Congress party believes in unity, and that's the only reason why they were very much concerned regarding this decision which is being taken by the Himachal Pradesh government. On the other side, now it is the Congress High Command which has also reprimanded the Chief Minister as well as the Cabinet Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu, and Vikramaditya Singh regarding this entire issue, as the Congress High Command had also mentioned that the statement which was being given by Vikramaditya Singh, in which he has said that the Himachal Pradesh government is also following the model of Uttar Pradesh, which was not correct at all, as the Congress High Command has also mentioned that it is very much necessary that the sentiments of the people of Himachal Pradesh shouldn't get hurt, and for that reason now clarification has also been given by the state government, in which both the Chief Minister as well as the Cabinet Minister have mentioned it very clearly that whatever decision has been taken is as per the directions which were being given by the Supreme Court and the High Court, and then only this decision has been taken. They have also said that it hasn't been implemented on the ground as yet, as it will be discussed firstly with the all-party committee which was being formed by the Speaker of Himachal Pradesh earlier as well, and after that only, after holding all these discussions, not just with the state leaders but also with the stakeholders there, then only it will be implemented on the ground. So now the clarification has come on the part of the Himachal Pradesh government, but surely it has increased the problems for the Congress party, because it is not just the BJP but also the Congress party's leader itself are saying that it is not in favor of the party, because it has given a very negative message, as on one side it is the Congress which believes in secularism, on the other side it is the Congress state government which are asking people to show and display the name of
Right.
the owners outside their shops, which is not correct at all.